Okay. I think we're ready. All right, we're ready. Tropical birthday girl.
Abby, should I just make the checkout
To my name,
So it's
which
Abby.
is where did those business cards go? Did I put them
I got
over
it
there?
right here. I put 'em
Oh,
up here.
goody. Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's
Okay.
Abby, and then the last name is Green with an IP.
Gotcha.
Tropical Dolphin.
Maybe better.
I know, are you gonna get yours next?
Yeah.
You think so? You're in the waiting zone.
Feel wet? It's pretty wet this morning. Can you close your eyes, honey, softly? Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Good. Other side. Good. Your birthday table looks so cute in there.
Thanks. I've even got a craft table out in the living room.
Yay! I remember when I was probably your age, my mom made these cute little, I can't remember all the details because I was too little to remember, but she took these little milk cartons and made these little schoolhouses. It was like we had a schoolhouse party. And they were so cute. I still remember that. You'll probably remember your party table because it was so pretty. Okay, baby, close eyes softly. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze.
I think someone's here.
Someone's coming.
Okay. Who is it?
I think it's Weston.
Weston?
Yeah. What do you think?
Maybe Shelby is coming with Weston.
I think I only see one person.
Okay.
It's okay. Here, wait.
Is
Wait.
it-
He'll come in. Don't worry.
How do you know it's Weston?
How do I know? Because
Yeah.
I just know.
Mom,
Because I
just
think
now.
I see him.
Where? There he is.
There he is.
Oh, you see him? Ah.
Wow, you can bring him in and show him some toys if you want. How does that sound?
Close your eyes for a
Come
sec,
on in.
sweetie.
Can you wave for
Chin
that?
up.
That's the guy that wrestled me.
That's the guy that wrestled you? Yeah. Hi, come on in. Hey, Weston.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Close eyes, baby doll. Chin up, sweetheart. Don't
Yeah.
open.
Oh, thank you. I'm Allison, by the way.
Taylor.
Yeah, welcome. Here, I can take your coat.
Thank you.
You want us to wait out? You want to watch, or you want to come inside? Check it out.
Is that Weston?
Yep.
Should we take our shoes?
You should give him a sticker.
How's it going, Derek?
Taylor, nice to meet you.
Do you go to school with him?
Yeah.
Derek goes to our school.
Is he in your class? Yeah.
Close eyes again, birthday girl.
I put him over here. So, Weston, what do you like to play with?
How much glitter do you put on people?
Well, on the birthday girl, I put all the glitter.
All of it?
Yes,
Now I
all
know you're
of it.
painting a dolphin.
I'm gonna do your eyeshadow first. Here, close eyes softly. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Because I want to make sure that the sun is very dry before I put the dolphin
I
on.
don't think so.
There's more people coming.
He didn't even know it. It's his dad.
Okay, darling, don't open your dry eyes.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Other side, sweets.
Figure it out like after.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, totally. Weston, do you like to get your
Oh,
picture
more
yet?
friends coming.
Now it's steel. Now it's steel, Dad.
Here, I'm gonna pause this.
Shadow.
Here, need your lipstick. I'm glad you did this first because all your friends are coming, and that way you won't have to. You'll be able to hang out. I think we'll do faces and we'll do the airbrush tattoos after. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that'll be more efficient.
Reese, how do I spell your name? You get face painting? R-E-E-S-E.
Now we can do our dolphin.
Cool. Steve, can you take your boots off of the car? Can you take your boots off?
How you guys doing?
Pretty good.
I saw you guys had like some decorations out on your street.
Oh, yeah.
Some like flowers.
Yeah, we put the mums and hay.
Is that new this year?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because I remember last year. You put it in there. Allison will help you maybe.
Here, that goes with it. Reese.
So is,
Oh, do not bring some.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Hi, Reese.
how are you? You can put it right here.
Hi. Why
How are you
did
doing? I thought you could make it. The baby isn't here yet. He's coming back in a little bit.
She's.
You're gonna get out of our hair.
Yeah, he needed a little space from us today. We would be this morning. Otherwise, like everything that we were gonna set up would have been undone. So.
Yeah, they do that. They're good.
Hi, Minnie, how are you? How are you? I'm so glad you got to make it. Okay.
It's an impressive snowman.
Yeah, but it's really to take right off.
Yeah, I love your snowman.
It's probably the earliest that we've gotten it up. I mean, the fact that we have enough snow for a snowman right now is wild. But here we are.
There it is.
There she is. Oh, my friend's coming.
The second the body was pick up.
Why do you have lots of the same thing?
Oh, wow!
Very glittery.
Yeah, look at that.
Whoa, Mabel!
Yep. Hi, everybody.
Wow.
Look at you.
Hi. I wish I had a talent.
That's pretty amazing.
That is cool.
Close eyes, honey bunny. Don't open.
Hey, Orly.
So are you? Is that a fine park there?
Yeah, really cool. Yeah. As long as you know one. What's up, Orly? Hey, Winnie. Here, let me get you guys your name tags.
I can't even say
Almost done, sweetie.
No, take off your shoes.
Yeah, you guys can leave your shoes.
Why do you do it down on the neck? Somebody else is coming. They're all coming at the
Did I
same time.
not bring a mirror to even show you your
It's up there.
good? Presenting the one and only beautiful, magical, beautiful birthday girl. Hey, I get to take a picture.